Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. In this video, we're looking at question 17 on our grade 10 Cayley contest. A solid wooden rectangular prism measures 3 by 5 by 12. The prism is cut in half by a vertical cut through 4 of the vertices as shown. This cut creates two congruent triangular-based prisms. This one over here, and then a similar one over on that side. When these prisms are pulled apart, what is the surface area of one of these triangular-based prisms? Okay, well, how do you find surface area? I'll draw the little prism here, and as you think about that, how do you find surface area? Yeah. Well, surface area is the sum of the areas on the surface. I know it sounds stupid when you say it like that, but it's true. So if I were to pull these apart, what surfaces would I have for one of my triangular prisms? Well, I'd have this nice little triangle up here. Okay. That would be one surface. We'd get a similar, in fact, not just similar, but a congruent triangle down here on the bottom. We'd get this rectangular side over here, as well as another rectangular side in front here, and then, quite importantly, so I'll try and highlight it. Let's use the cyan. We also have the dividing rectangle that cuts across. That's going to be a surface as well. So we need to find the dimensions of these various areas and add them up. So we know it's a 3 by 5 by 12, I think. Yeah, 3 here and 5 across. Okay, so we're good. Now, these triangles here, they're going to be right-angled because, well, on the surface of a rectangular prism, all the surfaces are rectangles. So we need two copies of the area of a 5 by 12 right-angled triangle. Well, area is 1/2 base times height, so it should be 30. So I'm going to have two of those. Plus, and then I've got this rectangle over here is a 3 by 5, so 15. This rectangle up front is 3 by 12, so that's an area of 36. And then, well, what are the dimensions of the cyan rectangle that cuts across, that divides the bigger prism in half? What are the dimensions there? Well, I know it's a height of 3, but what is this long side? Well, that's going to be the hypotenuse of my right-angled triangle, my 5, 12, and if you know your Pythagorean triples, 13. Of course, if you don't know that, you could say, well, whatever this is, maybe call it h squared is 5 squared plus 12 squared, 25 plus 144, 169. You square root, you'll find that h is 13. So you might recognize that if you know your Pythagorean triples, or you can just work it out with the Pythagorean theorem. So then we add a 3 by 13 rectangle. So 3 by 13 gives an area of 39. And we add it all up. Okay? So 2 times 30 for the two triangles, the one on top and the one on bottom, gives me 60. Plus 15 for the shorter side over here. Plus 36 for the front side here. Plus 39 for the cut across. And that gives you a total of 150. So the total surface area should be 150, and that looks like D. There we go. All right, let's get ourselves a fresh sheet of paper because everything was sort of crammed in there at the end. I want to do 18, 19, and basically the remaining questions should probably get their own pages. I will see you for question 18 next time if you are so inclined.